kind of a steady state winter that we've been into. I mean, persistently cold and these snow episodes from time to time. No big storms, but just enough to slow things down. That's going to be the case, especially getting into tonight, because we have another one on the way. Let's check it out. First off, cloudy skies down at Chautauqua Lake as of the noon hour. No snow flying down there just yet, but it's on the way. In fact, Chautauqua County will be probably the first area to get into the snow this afternoon toward mid-afternoon. Heading up to Niagara County at Lockport right now. Cloudy skies again up there, but no snow coming down just yet. As we check it out on the satellite and radar pictures, I've been tracking this stuff for you all morning long since Wake Up began at 5 a.m. this morning. And as I told you during Wake Up earlier today, this leading edge of snow has not been reaching the ground, but you get further back to the west and eventually the snow reaches the ground, and that's the stuff that eventually is going to be working up into western New York. In fact, just within the past hour, snow has now started at Detroit, Cleveland, and down through Pittsburgh. All of this on the light side, but there are some pockets of moderate snow embedded within the system, and some of that's going to be working through our region, most likely during the early evening hours tonight. So if you're going to be traveling during the evening, travel definitely will worsen across all western New York and down into northern PA before the snowfall probably lightens up a little bit, maybe after midnight. As we check it out on Super Microcast, here's the snow advancing into the area by 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. We're starting to see the snow break out even into the Buffalo metro area, down through Allegheny County. So there may be a thin veneer of snow already developing during the evening commute tonight, which may start to slow down at least the tail end of the commute. Closer to Chautauqua County and the Pennsylvania line, there could be about an inch on the ground already, maybe by evening. As we progress into the evening hours tonight, we have that snow probably picking up in intensity here for a period of time, at least during the evening hours, then lightening up a little bit after midnight. Now, with a northerly flow coming in off Lake Ontario, you may have noticed at the top of the show that the winter weather advisory overnight has now been extended up into Niagara and Orleans counties. There's going to be some lake enhancement taking place up here. Now, I'm not going to split hair over the snowfall amounts across the region. Pretty much everybody's going to be looking at 2 to 4 inches, though the amounts may tend to be a little bit higher north and south of the city during that stretch. And then tomorrow, as the snow starts to taper off to snow showers, maybe we'll add another 1 to 2 inches. A big East Coast storm developing, maybe a good foot of snow on the way for New York City again tomorrow. And that's going to start to draw some of the moisture away from our area as we work into the afternoon hours on Thursday. As we check the temps, 25 degrees at the Falls, down to Buffalo, 23 degrees, Jamestown, 20, 22 degrees here at Wellsville, and a bit of a wind chill at the noon hour. 13 right now at Buffalo, and 10 degrees down there at Bradford. Let's check your forecast details. The sunset time, that's coming up at 5:02 this afternoon. And for the rest of this afternoon, cloudy skies and a flurry is possible. Snow developing mid to late afternoon, accumulating an inch or less from Buffalo to the southwest. The high is 23 to 27 degrees, and the breeze picks up this afternoon. For the overnight, a brisk wind, snow, moderate for a while this evening, 2 to 4 inches. The low temperature 16 to 22. Tomorrow, look for cloudy and brisk conditions, snow tapering to snow showers with another 1 to 2 inches. So the storm total, by the time it winds down tomorrow afternoon, we're looking at about 3 to 6 inches of accumulation. The highs tomorrow 20 to 25. Scattered snow showers on Thursday, mostly to partly cloudy, 18 to 23. A better finish to the week on Friday. Some limited sun, but it's going to be cold. High at 23 degrees. And another widespread system heading our way for the weekend, at least with some light snow for Saturday and Sunday, and temperatures in the upper 20s.